For today's acid wash, we're using a lineup of products from Biodex Laboratories. This includes Plaster White and Bright. This product is going to thicken your mix and remove the harmful fumes while you're working. The Admix Aquadex 50 is your metal extractor. Protect All can be used both prior to draining the pool as well as during the fill-up process. The Foam Out is to help keep your wastewater manageable. It's almost impossible to predict your results from one acid wash to the next. You just never know how your chemical mix is going to react with the plaster, what's going to lift, what's going to stay. In today's work, we hope to accomplish two things. Remove what's left of a painted surface pool, as well as lift the metallic staining caused by some old copper plumbing. So let's get to work. For today's mix, we're using an aggressive solution, 30% muriatic acid, commercial grade, quarter bottle Aquadex 50, quarter bottle Plaster White and Bright. Mix it in your 2-gallon water jug and you're ready to acid wash a pool. The surface on the left is turning blue. This is due to the metals being pulled out of the plaster and raised to the surface. The solution on the right is still working away hard, and you can see the increased viscosity due to the Plaster White and Bright additive, thus allowing it to stay stuck on the wall longer, working harder, and giving you better results. For a lineup of comprehensive pool chemicals that work as advertised, are competitively priced, and will give you better results, check out Biodex Laboratories. This is Mike, and thanks for watching this week's feature how-to.